So hello and welcome. Alethea here with Sail Along Sewing. Happy Easter to everyone. So we're working on McCall's 7565. Instructions asked to sew the front band, right sides together of the dress and the band, and sew. And this is what I've done. So we have to trim the seams and continue on from there. Okay, so this is how the collar is looking after we trimmed it, and we also turned it over, and it's sitting on the neckline of the dress. And of course, this end has to be folded over to the 3/8, and after we attach the collar to the dress, this seam folds in like that, and this folds over that seam. Seam goes under there, but we got to attach the collar to the dress, and we still have to press the collar. So let's move on. And so we have completed attaching the knit collar to the woven dress. It came out pretty nice. This is how it's looking. This is my first time working with the knit, and the woven fabric came out great. Okay, so this is the finished product of a collar. Is actually attached to the dress, as you can see, and I'll show you a closer view of what I did to get it there. The sleeve, that sleeve is finished. Okay, so like I said, a close-up look up at the sleeve. The sleeve is finished, and this is the inside. I folded over the edges 3/4 of an inch and folded to this seam, and that is the result of the collar. Not collar.
6, 5,